Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to do a little preventive maintenance. We're going to clean the condenser coil on my air conditioning. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure the air conditioning doesn't come on while we're working on it. So I pulled the breaker right out of there. Next thing we have to do is we have to take off the screws here. I've already done that, and we're going to take off this guard very carefully because it does contain the fan motor on there. That's that. So this is the inside of the air conditioning here. You've got the compressor, obviously the fan motor, and there's some controls down there. But what we're going to do is we're going to blow from the inside out, because if you blow from the outside in, you're going to be blowing dirt back into the coil, which probably isn't going to help it much. So that's what we're going to do. There's two. So I've got my earplugs in, and I'm going to blow from the inside out. Well, didn't look like much came out with the blower, so let's try the air hose, see if we can do a little better with that. Next, we're going to try an air hose. Well, unfortunately, neither one of those ideas worked. So this is a little bit bigger than I thought. So what we're going to do is going to take the covers off and maybe brush and then wash it down with a hose. So now we've got the hose, and we're going to wash top to bottom. You don't want to push the water through and get any of that dirt into that coil. Well, obviously using the brush and then the water on the coil made the difference. This is going to be a much more efficient unit now. Well, that sure was a lot more cottonwood than I thought. First, trying to blow it out with the air compressor or the blower just wasn't getting it. Finally, with a brush and putting the water down, we were able to wash these coils clean. We saved ourselves a service call. Planned maintenance is important. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.